Hello my dear friends, welcome to my online course Advanced Petrykivka. This course is for people who have previously taken my first course or for those who were familiar with Petrykivka before. Now I will tell you how this course will be interesting and useful specifically for you. Throughout this course you will explore new elements, master different compositions, refine your skills with a cat brush, and create art on a dark background and canvas. Additionally, we will paint 3 pictures together on canvas. I'm confident that you will not only acquire new skills, but also unfold your creative abilities, receiving an incredible dose of inspiration for future artistic expressions. Please, don't delay. Join the course now and let's together uncover your creative potential. See you in class!